Hey, I'm Jason Dupree with Extreme Auto Collision. We've been working with Auto Shop Solutions for 8 years. They've gotten me to a level of success with marketing and exposure, and we're probably wouldn't be where we're at right now without their teamwork. When we met with Auto Shop, we were operating at around 7,000 square feet with exposure through the internet and some of the marketing they brought to the table. We were able to expand our business to a 12,000 square foot facility. We were doing around $1 million a year in sales, and we're currently averaging around $2.5 million in sales. So with that growth, we've been able to invest in our business with equipment, get our employees training through certifications, and also acquire multiple certifications through dealer sponsorships and assured performance. And so we're proud to have that partnership where we've been able to grow and exceed the market and be a good competitor for our customers. We've noticed a tremendous increase in phone calls, traffic here at our building, and we're very grateful for that. I think Auto Shop had a lot to do with that exposure and able to get us in the front lines where customers can see us.